Welcome to Joy Stream Tech. So in the series of we making our school designing our school website, we tried some templates which didn't favor us because the design was not really what we wanted. So we wanted to get something good and something that has login details, login feature, which we've gotten here. As you can see, it has login and it has register feature, but they are not really working. They are not working because of what? Now, if you check down here, you can see nothing is being the link is empty. Now to confirm this, we'll go to edit HTML. We'll go to edit HTML. It will load. Then let's search for register. You place your cursor here, Ctrl F. Let's search for register. This is it. So you can see here, there's no page. When you click here, there's no page it will take you to. So what are you going to do? We'll go to let's open a blog on that page. When you come here, go to page. To do that, go to pages. Then we create a new page. And name the page. Register. So we sign up. Name the page sign up for an account. We publish it. Then in this place we are going to add some CSS code here to enable them. When the user click it will take the user to this page where the user can put in his or her details. Now here we come here too, and we name this one login to your account. Login to your account and publish it. Now we'll now copy for this sign up. We'll now copy the link. And go here. We paste the link here. Now for this login, we come here. We paste the link here for the login and update and save our changes. Save our changes successfully. I will refresh. Okay. We'll refresh our page. This should work. Okay. Now I click on let me click on login. Let me click on login. And to take me to the page I created. The page I created. So this page I can choose to do some editing. I can choose to do some editing options. So I'll come to options. Do not allow I can choose some editing which I can come here and do. But let me just leave it as it is. Let me just leave it as it is. So that's how it works. Then if you click on login, it will take us to our login page we created. Now after doing this thing, what we have to do is we have to add some CSS code. Now we can go here and search for Blogger CSS code for login, for user login. For user login. Now there are some people offering this, how to add, how to create, how to do this one, how to do this one. Let's check the first one out and see. Okay, let's follow this guy's instruction and see. Actually, we say blogger website icon, blogger team. Yeah. We check here. Now we'll search for this we'll search for this particular code, which should be above body. It is above body. Which is above body. Which is above body. I'll go back here, do Ctrl F, Ctrl find, enter. Here it is. Then we'll have to paste this code. See below, just above. Directly above. We paste directly above. Directly above. Now this one will paste this code. We'll paste this code, we'll save this. We'll save this, then come back to I'll come back to our login page. We go here, we choose the HTML part, we paste this here. Then we'll copy this one. and paste below this one. Then we save. Then we save. This for the login. We'll also do for the sign up. Register your account. Now let's go. Let's view. When you click on login, okay, this is it. But first of all, let's do some changes. Register. Now we see that we misplaced the register with the sign up, the login. So what you have to do is you come here, log into your account, you come here, you copy the link, you come here. For the login, we paste this here. Then for the register, you copy the link, you come here and change. Then we'll change it. Then we'll save. Then we'll save. Then we'll come, we'll refresh. And let me just say let me check. It's not working yet, so we have to do other things. We have to also set the home page to appear here. You understand? It's very important to do that. We set the home page to appear here. Then we can now set a destination where once they register, they will be taken to. When they log in, they will be taken to, since they are here to create the account. So yeah, we have to do some editing here. If you understand the code very well, so login feature, login. Username and password and everything. So we have to do some editing here. But let's add for the register for user registration. Registration form. Let's use this. Register form. Okay, this is register form. Let's use this. Since we have already done the other one, you can come here. Come to the register form. And since we are already in the CSS part, the code part, since you are seeing the code part, so we can just paste this, and we have done we pasted the code already below the skin, above the skin. So we can just paste an update. We can just paste an update. We can just paste an update. Save change. Now let's go back. Let's go back and click on register. Our registration button is not working. So our registration button is not working. Why the login button is working perfectly? But let's check. Let's check. Let's go to registration. There's you. Here's you. So these are our form have appeared. So you can easily copy this. So this is fresh. You can easily copy this. Copy this. Go back to our registration. Here. And replace this. Save. Press load. Press load. The control and register. Then come here. Changes. Then we'll save. So guys, that's basically how to add a login and register form to your blogger, to your school blogger account. You accept them as terms and conditions. All this, you accept them. Click on register. Okay, so in our next video, we will now have to design more. Using our school website here. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.